Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have got Lavender Spic and Span. Take a look at the label. And the back side. Let's go on over to the cloud cam. I don't expect clouds out of this, but you never know. So it's always good to go over to the cloud cam regardless. Over at the cloud cam, as usual, 1/8 cup per gallon, 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, however you want to say it, it's all the same. Nice purple color, be a little generous maybe. That's not bad. Not quite as good as pine, but not too bad. Kind of has some Fabuloso vibes. So let's go back over to the floor cam and get started with the mopping. So as usual, I'll go over the floor twice, rinsing the mop out in this solution right here between rounds and after when I'm done. And as a reminder, the floor is 68 years old. There's no expectations of it being perfect. I just need it clean. It's also a light trafficked area, so seldom needing a disinfecting. It needs the dust removed. So let's get started. Round 1. Round 1 is completed. Got a nice lavender scent in the hallway. Got some nice suds forming in the water. Round 2. And round 2 is completed. Appears to have done a fine job. Water is a bit darker than it was. Definitely a good product to have in the rotation. Let's do a water check. Looks like it removed all the dust and a little bit of debris. Once again, cleaning the floor with Spic and Span Advanced Clean Multi-Purpose Cleaner, lavender scent, fresh lavender scent. Thank you for watching.